Okay, so we're going to be doing a fog light low range switch on our W163. So as we see in this box, we open her up. This is the switch. But yeah, as you can see, you got fog lights on the bottom and low range up top. So what we do, we take our keys, we stick the card up on. When we put the card on, we engage the e-brake. We put our brake in, engage the e-brake, shift the car into drive, and then what we do, since the car's in drive, we turn her off. We grab our trusty screwdriver here, and being that this is NolanDsPlace, we do things a little differently. We stick our screwdriver down here, and we just start slowly prying up on the trim, as you see. Yeah. And being NolanDsPlace, we're still starting out. We don't have like trim tools yet, so flathead screwdriver is what I've learned to do things best with when you don't have what you have. So let's pop this panel out. Yeah, I do apologize for the lighting. It was about 3 or so in the afternoon. So let's do this. As you would see, our switch looks like this. So what we do, we turn around, we pull. It's kind of hard doing this one-handed when you're also filming. So let me try this. So as you can see, we pulled out the old switch, but when you look closely, the buttons are missing. 9 times out of 10, when that's going on, that's not good. But as you can see on this one, if I can find the part number. Yeah, it looks like it's the original, but as you can see, the buttons for it are not supposed to look like this. They are supposed to look like this. But now, how we install it, we do this. We go behind our dash panel here. As you see, we got and to let the viewers know why I put the car in gear, it's the easiest way to get to this without having to deal with the shifter in your way when you go to remove these, because normally when the shifter's in park, it pulls down this, and yeah. So we install the switch by plugging in the plugs. And if we look right here, we got our guest host, Father J. Say hi to the camera, Father J. Yeah. Dad just figured out what I'm doing. We are hooking up this new switch. And we plug.
Meds are ready.
Alright. So, if you could help me with hold that. Actually, hold this camera for me. Just, oh, your hand's covering the lens. Just, yeah. So just keep your hand there and watch as I do our magic. So.
Don't force it. There you go.
Okay. And now we turn the car back on. Okay. Let's start her up. Okay.
Oh, yep.
So there's that. And as you see, now we put the car in gear. We put it down in neutral. And let's see, does my low range come on? Okay. And as you see, low range came on. Low range comes off. Okay. And fog lights. Do we got fog lights? Do we got fog lights, Father J? Do we got fog lights, Father J?
They're not on now.
They're not? Anything? Okay. Bulbs are burned out. But it works. Gotta love the sound of that V8 engine.
They work.
They do work, yes. Excellent.
You gotta turn the headlights on first.
Oh, that's right, you gotta turn the headlights on. But yep, as you see, fog lights are a success. Low range switch works.